Hello, I'm Katja, and today I will show you my version of Amethyst Blonde look. First, think what your desired end result is. Is it all over bright Amethyst Blonde look, or is it something more multidimensional with different tones and depths? I will go for a multidimensional look. These type of cool, vibrant fashion shades have tendency to fade, so the right home care is important. Color-fresh masks are your client's must go-to maintain color at home. For hair color, I recommend Lilac Frost. You can find full formula in the description below. And for more inspiration, don't forget to subscribe on Wella Professional's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.